300 Sketches of a Mouth by a Life Drawing Academy Correspondence Course student. In this video, we share with you a report by Ayman, a Life Drawing Academy Correspondence Course student who made 300 different sketches of a mouth and now flips through pages of her sketchbook. In the Life Drawing Academy online course, you can learn how to draw realistic portraits and figures by watching 52 step-by-step video tutorials. This academy also comes with one of the best personal tutoring courses available today on the internet, the Correspondence Course. In this course, artists receive unlimited one-to-one tutoring, which is custom-tailored to skills and needs of every student. This course covers every drawing topic you need to know. It starts with practical tasks on handling a pencil, drawing lines and shapes, learning professional hatching techniques, improving fine motor skills, studying linear and aerial perspective, learning and practicing constructive drawing principles, discovering rules of composition, golden proportions, construction and anatomy of a human body, head and face, making models of a human skull, sculpting in clay facial features, making and drawing DIY models, drawing portraits and figures from life, memory and imagination. Several tasks of this course are dedicated to sketching facial features. Making sketches from life is an important part of this course. By making multiple artworks from different points of view, students get the necessary skills of portrait drawing. Of course, making 300 sketches is not enough to become a professional fine artist, but it is a great way to improve portrait drawing skills little by little. By the end of this task, a student is able to draw a mouth from any angle without looking at a model. Such skill is very much needed for making figurative artworks from memory and imagination. This is just one small task in that course. There are 100 drawing tasks in total. To see what this academy is about, check out its free video lesson at lifedrawing.academy/free. This link is also available in the description. In the free tutorial that you will get free of charge, you will find out how you could benefit from the Life Drawing Academy courses. You will learn a classical canon of human body proportions. We'll discover how to paint a female body from life, learn main proportions of a human head and face. You will see the know-how of drawing hands in different angles. You will also find out how to make gesture sketches of figures in various poses, and discover the right way of cultivating good drawing skills. Check the free tutorials now to get all this at no cost.